Hi everyone, welcome back. So today's recipe is going to be some really tasty fudgy brownies. Start by taking 200 grams of dark chocolate and melt them really well. Add in half a cup of butter and mix it very well. Then you get this sort of a consistency which should be really smooth without any lumps. And then you go ahead adding 1 cup of sugar. Mix it really well. Go ahead adding 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and half cup of flour and mix it really well. You go ahead adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 3 eggs and whisk it really well. This is the consistency which we are looking for. They have used Oddy wraps. They have some amazing collection of parchment papers, and do check out the description box for more info. Now I'm just pouring down the batter really well, and then you just tap it and put it inside a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until done, and here your brownies are ready.